我的脑筋在转，我的心儿在跳。我想和你白头到老。Good evening, my friend. Welcome to my wonderful, beautiful world.
Hi, welcome to my world. Today I want to show you how to run LTX 2.3 with audio file and mix with TTS. The first clip you saw in the intro was the clip from my previous tutorial A-Step 1.5, and it was using the full audio file. The second one was using only few seconds of the audio and the rest is in the prompt. This video will be a kind of follow-up of my older tutorial LTX 2.3 keyframes. Remember, this was the workflow we have used. We used 4 keyframes, and as I did the demonstration, I disabled this one. So for the audio file, we have to enable this. Now let me show you my workflow from the intro. I'm not going to the details of the models here. You can check out my older tutorial LTX 2.3 keyframes. It's just the same. The only thing I have changed is I enable the audio notes here. And the other thing is I have changed it. I'm using the seconds for the keyframes, not the percentage. Because if I use the audio file, it's easier to adjust by seconds based on the audio file. And I also want to show you here, you can disable the frames here. For the intro, I only use 3 frames. And one thing you have to make sure, this here, the switch here is based on this order. First, last frame, the second image, and third image is here. So when I want to disable the third image here is the 4th switch based on this order. Now let me show you another workflow. Let's test that together. So I prepared one. I just want to go through here a little bit. This is the original audio loader. You can trim your audio by setting the index and duration here, but I prefer to use this node. I can trim it here because this one allows me to preview the audio. As you can see, I've got only 3.5 seconds of the audio file. Let me play this for you. Okay, that's all about it. I think you recognize the rhythm. And now I've got 4 frames here. As I said, this is just based on the seconds. And I describe the prompt here and say the man singing something here. And hopefully it does sing. And let me change the seed a little bit before I give it a run. Okay, run it. Okay, it's done. Let's check out the time here. 712 or a little bit more than 10 minutes. That's not too bad for 13 seconds of audio. Let's check the result.
Thank you for watching.
Okay, not too bad, but I did put a little bit more than that in the prompt. That happens sometimes with the prompt. It's interesting to see that the music was extended and mixed with the TTS. So let's listen to that again.
Thank you for watching.
That's interesting. So basically what you can do is you just give it LTX a little bit of the audio and it will try to play continuously and use the prompt to mix the TTS with the audio file. Okay, this is rather a short video. As I said before, this is a kind of follow-up of my LTX 2.3 keyframes tutorial. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Thank you for watching. There are more videos to watch, or you can subscribe and we'll never miss a future video.